And our final question for this set of Cwestiynau Campus is beth yw dy hoff sioe deledu di? Now, you might recognize teledu, which is TV. So the question is asking, what is your favorite TV show? Now, for 1 point, you can just share the TV show, such as Bluey, Peppa Pig, etc. And for 2 points, you must use the correct sentence pattern. So for hoff sioe deledu fi yw Peppa Pig. For 3 points, you must give the correct sentence pattern and give your reasons why. So for hoff sioe deledu fi yw Peppa Pig achos mae'n diddorol, or achos mae'n doniol. And then for 4 points, you must put everything together and ask the question at the end to your partner as well. So fy hoff sioe teledu fi yw Peppa Pig, achos mae'n doniol. A beth amdana ti?